Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick cucumber kimchi. First, choose about 2 pounds of small, firm cucumbers. Slice them into 1/4 inch thick rounds or spears, depending on your preference. Next, toss the sliced cucumbers with 2 tablespoons of salt. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step draws out excess water, ensuring your kimchi stays crisp and flavorful. This simple preparation is key to a delicious, crunchy kimchi. Now, let's create that vibrant kimchi paste. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of grated fresh ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Finally, stir in 2 chopped green onions and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a well-combined, aromatic paste. This blend of flavors is what makes quick cucumber kimchi so irresistible. After salting, rinse your cucumbers very well under cold water and drain them thoroughly to remove excess salt. Now, it's time to combine the cucumbers with your flavorful kimchi paste. Gently mix everything together, ensuring each cucumber piece is coated evenly. Once mixed, transfer your quick cucumber kimchi to an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy this refreshing side dish. Your quick cucumber kimchi is now ready to be enjoyed. It makes a fantastic, refreshing side dish for almost any meal. For best flavor and crunch, try to consume it within a few days. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This easy recipe is perfect for a quick, flavorful addition to your table, bringing a delightful crunch and a burst of fresh taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.